Welcome to our apartment. So right when you walk in, we have this fireplace that I got from my great-grandma, and then we have these stairs that we have because Sage always likes to look out the window, so we thought this was the best way for her to do that. And we just have a humidifier. We have this candle that I got from Marshall's. We have, of course, his PlayStation. We have this great big TV, which is awesome for movies. We have our TV stand, which was from Walmart. It was a super great price. And then these I made myself. And we just random decor and stuff down there. Then this picture is from Hobby Lobby. And then we have these plants, it's just fake plants from IKEA. And then this little plant stand is from Hobby Lobby as well. And then we have our little table right here. This is thrifted. And then just some random decor. And then we have our great big couch, which is really awesome, but it took so long to come. So be prepared for that if you're buying a couch from Slumberland, I think is where we got it. And we just have some random pillows. And then over here we have a basket from IKEA where we just have some random blankets. And then right here we have our little gallery wall with some pictures of when Sage was a little baby. Super cute. And then if you turn around, we have this table that I got from Walmart as well. It was only like $40. And then we have this coat rack for like our coats and then random stuff like that. And then down here at the bottom, we have just a random place for some shoes. So if you walk over to our first room, this is our spare bedroom. Since we have a 2-bedroom apartment, we have an extra bedroom. So this is super nice. Caden's closet is in here because I have too much clothes that we couldn't share one. We have just a little hat wall for Caden, and then our printer. Then we have like some cleaning supplies like our shovel and that kind of stuff, and like extra hangers. And then we have just this chair that I bought from my aunt, which I'm super excited for our house to have in our living room. And then I also bought this from Target. Actually, I got it gifted to me from Target. And then we have my place for Will and Faye stuff. And then on the other side, we have our lifting stuff if we don't feel like going to the gym, which is super nice as well to have. So we are very thankful to have a 2-bedroom apartment because it's very multi-purposeful. And then in this next room, we just have our washer and dryer. It's a stackable, which is awesome in an apartment. It doesn't take up as much room. And then we have the next room is our great big bathroom, which is humongous, bigger than bathrooms at my parents' house. And we just have all your necessities here. These were from Target, which I really love, and I think this is from Target as well. And then we have our trash can, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and then we had to put it up on the stand from Five Below because Sage kept wanting to get into it. And then I made this myself, and then those two over there, which I'll show you in a minute. I just got the wood from Lowe's, and then I printed these off online and just stick them up there. And then here's the other two as well. They just came in like a set of 3. And then I bought this stand, which is awesome to have like random stuff like my jewelry, and then we have our extra toilet paper, and then we have our towels down there. And the stand is from Urban Outfitters. And then I thrifted this little leafy thing. And then we just have our towels, which I got all the towels from Walmart. And then we have our plant stand, which has plants, and then it has like extra like necessities like scrubs and stuff like that for the shower. And I bought the stand from Marshall's. And then we got this shower curtain from Target. And then the last thing in the bathroom, I bought this for Caden from Etsy for Valentine's Day, for our first Valentine's Day, which is super cute. And then last is our bedroom. This is probably my favorite part of our bedroom. I just bought these off of Amazon and they're super great if you're renting because they just stick on like stickers and they come off really easily. And then I just put my 2 hats there. And our hamper is from Target. And then when you walk in, this is on the first wall. This is just like a boho little hanger, which is from Five Below. And then here's my closet. And then I bought this circle mirror and it was only $5 at Goodwill, and then I just spray painted it, which is awesome. And then I bought this at Marshall's as well and just have like some random books and stuff like that. And then over there, we have our side tables. And we bought those from Walmart, which they were a great price, so I really recommend going to Walmart if you are in need of some side tables. Then we just have like this greenery that I bought from, I think, Five Below. And then we have our nice bedding. Our bedding is from Retail Rebel or some little shop like that in the mall. And then we got our headboard and our dresser from Kaden when he was a child. They were just both painted brown and then we just painted them white to go with our room better. And then I bought this mirror from Walmart and it was only $50, which was a great price for a standing mirror because there's some that are like 100 and up. And then we bought these from Gordman's and they were super great price because it was when they were going out of sale, or out of business, I meant to say. And then we have just aloe plant and some random decor. And then our last room is our kitchen. It's a great big kitchen for an apartment, so we're thankful for that. We have our basket wall. Okay, so we have our basket wall over here, which is one of my favorite parts of our apartment. If you are looking for baskets, definitely go to Goodwill. They're only like 50 cents. And then I bought this from Urban Outfitters. And then we have our refrigerator with just some like random things up there, like say just treats and stuff like that wouldn't fit in our cabinets. And then starting over here, we have our diffuser, which I bought from Marshall's and it was only like $20, so that's great. And then just our oils. And then here is our kitchen. Really awesome. And then I made this. When we came in here, I thought it was really awkward that it was just a white big space. It like should be a window or something. So I bought these from Five Below and then we just stacked up some stuff, random stuff on there. And then here's the kitchen. And then we got this table from my aunt and then it was black. So I just put some white contact paper on it from Amazon. So it went better with our apartment. And then I just got some fake flowers from Walmart and they were only 99 cents for each little thing, so that was great. And then we're almost done. Over here we just have Sage's little toys, which she has way too many toys for this basket. And then her food and water. And then we got this from Gordman's as well when it was going out of business. And there you go, there's our apartment. We are going to be moving out in about a month, so be on the lookout for new videos about us moving out, and then different videos with like empty house tour and rooms that I do along the way. Thank you.